on, you guys? Welcome back to The Bearded Journey. I am your host, Scott Barnes, and in today's video, I want to give you beardsmen some direction. That way, that way, that way. Yeah. That's right, in today's video, I want to talk about the direction of your beard. Now, as you guys can see, I have got the Wolverine style going on, and I've noticed that my beard direction is changing shape or changing direction. And after having this style for a couple weeks, I've noticed that my beard direction is going a different way. Normally my beard, as I grow it out, I usually comb it nice and straight. But as I've gone with this new Logan style, I've noticed that I'm actually styling and directing my beard outwards. And that's because I'm giving my beard not only direction, but I'm changing the shape of my beard to give the appearance that my face is much wider. And right there is the first reason why beard direction matters. Now, when my family and my relatives saw my big trim, they noticed, and I noticed too, that my jawline is very wide now because of the direction of my beard. And this plays into the shape. If you guys have noticed, I've done a video on that before, is having the shape of your beard, having the direction of your beard actually shows the cohesiveness of how your head is going to look. And as an example, right now, like I said, is as my beard is going out, I'm getting more of a square look, versus if my beard was longer and my chin was elongated, I'd have a nice longer rectangle look. And this is a big part when you have a beard, is where your beard is directing and where it is laying. And that's why I emphasize so much of having the products and tools to have. My case is the brush, and I'm just brushing it out. And for me, I call it flexing the beard, but you're actually flexing, or you're directing your beard in the way it needs to lay for that style. So if you have a painter's goatee, you want to have that direction of, out and down. For me, if I have that Wolverine look, I want to have it out and away. And this is a very classical, modern look that you would see in the 1800s. For those guys that are doing the beard contests, the mustache contests, this is a very chappy look. And this is a great subject for gentlemen that are going through different phases in beard growth. For me, in general, I like to go through a lot of different beard looks. And once again, like I said, with tools and products, these help you in those moments. So for me, my beard direction, my beard memory, if you will, would normally lay down. So for me to push it back and have that beard direction go back, I'd use a little bit of product. So that way it would stay. Get a little bit of wax here, or beard balm, I should say, or butter. Push it in, style it back. Once we pull out the hair dryer, we work it in, now we have a good beard direction. And this is why we have these tools for us to use to bring out the best of our looks. Now, I got a tremendous amount of support from the comment section of you guys when I did my Wolverine trim. And the majority of them, for me, that just really impressed me the most was, it surprises me the most that when you have a person being able to change their look so dramatically, cutting their beard in a movie style look, and actually being able to pull it off, it says something. And that's where those comments meant the world to me. And that's why I do them for you, because there's sometimes, we kind of mess up here and we mess up there. That'll be next week's video, that we can actually take advantage of it and use it to our best advantage. So for me, if you nick off a little too much on the neck, or you just go off a little too much off the jawline here, we can adapt to it, give our beard direction, and we can have either a new look or we can go along with a shorter look. But these things that I want to bring to you that you can use in your toolbox as you're going down the bearded journey, that no matter what happens, if you have a shorter beard or a longer beard, having that beard direction is key to having a cohesive look. We don't want to have a mess. We don't want to have any scraggly hairs. We want to have the beard in a very tight format. So if we give our beard direction, if we give our beard product and a style, that way everything is laid to stay. So make sure to put your beard in the best direction. Use those products and tools to your best advantages. make sure to stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be doing a nice cut and trim and showing you guys how you can restart and actually fade in from a mistake into a nice, good, clean look for the beard growth and journey. So stay tuned and check me out on Instagram for that journey too as well, so you're making sure you guys are up to date, all right? So I go, you guys, like, subscribe, love you like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!